boy Dom from MDP Auto, and in today's video we are taking apart the Miata door panel because my window only goes a quarter of the way down for some reason. So I'm thinking it's probably a track issue. It might have fell out of track or something like that. The motor's still good for it, so it still goes up and down perfectly fine. The speed's all right on it. It just for some reason doesn't want to go all the way down. So let's take this door apart. I'll show you guys how to do it, and let's fix this thing. For how long I've owned the car, never actually taken these panels off, but you guys can see the little watermark is as low as it goes. We're gonna see if it popped off the track. What you gotta do, one screw here, one Phillips screw there, one Phillips screw there, one plastic clip right here. You gotta pop off. Easy. And then you got two plastic clips right there. From there, you should just be able to lift up and pop out. Be nice and easy to pop off. Just watch out for that wire for the speaker right here. And we'll start removing this stuff just so we can see inside the track. Try not to remove too much of this silicone or whatever this is, because we are going to be reusing this. So once I take this all off, we'll get a better look at the track. All right guys, so I did take the plastic covering off. Once I took the plastic covering off, I did notice that there was the cable hanging fairly loose over here, but whenever I lowered it halfway and it got caught up, I saw that line tighten up. I saw this line right here tighten up. So right away, I went back up, loosened up the line a little bit, followed the line, and I found that it was actually hanging up inside on one of the rollers for the window. And this clip was actually pushed in. So I found this clip, I pushed it back in to where it's supposed to be to hold that cable on the actual shell of the door, so that it doesn't keep going into the roller and keep getting caught, and the same issue is going to happen again. So I'm going to see, maybe I'll throw a zip tie or something in here for now, because this clip does look a little worn. So I don't have any replacements for those, but I do have a couple zip ties that I can use for now. So let's zip tie that up and reinstall everything. Let's put the plastic cover back on and then put our door panel back on, and we will be good. Tie on the inside, it's really difficult to see, so I just started putting the plastic covering on. When you do put the plastic covering on, you do want to press down on this silicone so that you can make this little seal, make it nice and tight in there, so no air or water, or as much water can get in there as before. You do have to watch out for this speaker wire here. Gotta fish this through, and then we're gonna reinstall that into the door panel. Boom, easy. And we're just gonna continue pressing all this silicone into place. Now once you did all that, very easy. Next thing, connect the speaker to the door panel. You're gonna be putting the door panel on, so what you wanna do is you wanna line up this little piece right here. You do wanna start up high so that that top section can go and push down and clip in. So once you do that, there's gonna be a couple clips, one here, and I believe a couple at the bottom. Once you give a good tap all the way around, we're gonna reinstall this plastic and these 3 screws along with that one plastic clip. 3 clips are in, 1, 2, and 3 down there. Window's working as it should. Easy, done. Need any parts, literally a zip tie, and we're all good. That is gonna finish it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more content. It's gonna be a lot more just a little Miata stuff happening on the channel. So if you guys want to see that, consider subscribing. Have a good day, guys. See you in the next one. Peace.